For Combilift as a company, our manufacturing plant is on the outskirts of Monaghan town. We manufacture forklift trucks, and in our plant that we have here, it's very much a fully fledged manufacturing plant, right from design through to assembly, finish and shipping of products. So for us, I mean, in terms of, there's so many areas we targeted to make our business more efficient. So on the next slide, you'll probably see, this is maybe where we actually started off on our lean journey. So our lean journey as a business started in July 2012, and it was very much facilitated and initiated even by Enterprise Ireland at that time. So we applied through the Lean Transform program, and thankfully Enterprise Ireland were very supportive of that for our business. But none of our businesses have the manpower available to focus right across the whole scope of a business. So we actually would have started working on projects. The lean business consultant we brought in was LBS Partners from Limerick. So they were the consultant on site. And in that early stage, our first focus was on one of our production lanes, which is our Aisle articulated forklift truck. And with a continuous focus on that, not just very much week one, it really took a 6-month effort. You know, you don't expect results in the first week or two, so it's going to take continuous effort. But on that production lane, we increased output by 163%. On the same assembly lane, we reduced our lead time. And when you think of many of the value that lean can bring to a business, you know, Robert said, you know, it needs to be very customer centric. And for any business, of course, reducing lead time is really what all our customers want to hear as well. And with the success on that production lane, we focused on another lane, we call it the Combi CB model, very much similar outcomes achieved. And in them early years, it was very much focused on projects initially, certain production lanes, and the learnings we accomplished throughout that lean focused, and it wasn't just at that time, Fintan Sherry was heading up our lean team, but it takes the involvement of all your employees to make it a success. Lean is really one of the pillars where we want to build on operational excellence. And that's right through the organization, not just our production lanes. It's right from order entry to finished product goes out the door.
We are very, very highly engineered. We offer a very wide range of optional extras, and that's where our marketplace is, you know. And what I'd say to anybody beginning the lean journey or looking for assistance with lean is, as Stephen Covey quoted, begin with the end in mind. So for us to continue this growth and for us to still be able to offer the products that we offer to our customers, it's very much a case of developing the skill set within the company and looking at how we can drive forward and how we can utilize the skills that the people that would have built the company, to allow them to move on, to assist people coming into the company. And for us, it's very much a case of trying to take out of the realm of intuition and bring it into reality.
Like not only you can see the passion from Peter, but we have made a decision. Many of our lean champions, they're not supervisors or they're not managers. And I think sometimes many businesses think that their lean champions should be the manager. In fact, I think if you can bring in lean champions that's under management level, then the other employees will engage much better with the lean champions. And Enterprise Ireland, we have a program with them we got approved earlier this year. And that program is going to involve training all our 600 plus employees on site in lean in their departments. So it has impacted that next step of our lean process, but our day-to-day lean today is the same as it was 12 months ago. And Peter and the team are very, very focused on that still, because for a customer, they want value. And the more central from a system point of view, every business is, the customer feels, you know what, this company is on top of my needs. So customer centric, you know, the quality of what the customer sees. And of course, bringing that health and safety in, customers really put value on your lean process. So don't be afraid to share what you're engaged in terms of lean. Even if you're only at an early stage, customers really value companies that are investing in lean, because the reality is the reason we all invest in lean is to be there for the long term. If any of us were thinking short term, none of us would invest in lean. So I think customers, when they see business investing in lean, they know they're sustainable, and hopefully we're there to service them in years to come.